That's paper. That's paper. That's
so cool. Supposed to be that loose from the wall?
this?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is it? Okay, I thought that was a problem.
No, it's they didn't secure when it's in the wall. They could have screwed it to like a stud.
Got it. Okay.
But these are all cement walls, so they're probably a little harder to do than just if it was in a house, like where everything's wood studding.
Oh yeah. Okay, makes sense. Most kezdi. Most csináljuk. So this doesn't require having to shut off any valves?
No, just the one down here.
Okay.
We found your issue.
Well, that gasket is really worn and torn too.
That's not the issue.
I know, I'm just looking.
Oh, okay.
Because I've seen when they renovate the units and the new ones look much snazzier than that.
Yeah, I'm gonna be putting a new one in. So what do we think it is? Do we know?
I wonder.
Do we have any suggestions, thoughts? Let's see. That's paper. That's paper. That's not paper.
What the hell is that?
That?
Is that a banana peel? Holy shit.
No, it's not a banana peel. I don't know. It's something that went down your toilet. So, whatever that is, we may want to talk to some people inside here.
Gyere, nézd meg! Hát ne beszéljél így. Én nem tudom mi az, de ugyanúgy néz ki.
Hát én ráküldjek el belemet, hogy beszélni.
It seems like something made its way up here, because I don't know what that is.
Okay.
Yeah, that makes no, I don't know what the hell that is. That's crazy. It looks like a bit of like a planting or something.
Yeah, that's a people plumber right there.
And he bent them.
Okay.
Mi? A törlő? De azt mondja, hogy nem az. Yeah, there's no way I'm ever lifting that.
No?
Yeah, no. That's not happening. Oh, that's okay. I'll do that after. Don't worry about it.
Oh no, but I gotta kneel down and I don't want to get my pants any more wet. What do you think? You think that's gonna solve the problem?
Well, let's hope so. I mean, what the hell is that?
That I can't say.
Yeah, because I'm like, if it was the wipes, I'd be like, yeah, but that's certainly not wipes. But is it possible for it to make its way up from another unit?
Without your bathtub backing up, no.
Okay, well, it hasn't backed up yet. Let's hope it, I mean, maybe if this wasn't taken care of today, it probably would have backed up eventually.
Well, the bathtub's the lowest point,
Okay.
so you would notice a blockage in your bathtub before
Well, it
anywhere
isn't
else.
exactly swiftly going down, and it isn't blocked with anything, because I remove the hair after every shower.
No, but if it was the backup by itself, so if it came from like another unit,
Yeah, oh, okay,
Right.
so out of nowhere it would just be like random duck?
yeah, your bathtub would back up first,
Okay.
and then you'd see it in your toilet. So, did it come up from downstairs? I'm not gonna say yes. I'm not gonna say no.
I guess we'll never know.
I could give you an estimated guess and say no, it didn't come from downstairs. And it didn't come from upstairs. My estimated guess would be that it went down here.
Well, I'm pretty sure I'm aware of what's going down my toilet, and it's definitely not anything like that. I mean,
I'm just here to do a job.
I'm just super. I don't need to play myself in front of you. You know what I mean?
No, I completely understand what you're saying.
So if I was like, oh shit, that's the freaking banana I had last week, and
That's
stuck.
not a banana.
Yeah, that's what it looks like to me. I don't know what it is. It's like rubber.
That is.
Fish? What is that?
Those are wipes.
Oh, it's all accumulated like that. Oh,
Like I
shit.
said. It went down this toilet.
All right, well, hey. Thank God we got you to come and take a look-see.
Your flange has an issue. It's gonna move.
Is it? So why is that happening?
Because your flange is probably loose.
And the phalange is what?
What connects the toilet to the floor.
The toilet to the, so that,
So underneath where the gasket goes,
yeah?
so what the gasket sits on.
Oh, and so how is that, what's the solution for that?
You need a plumber.
Okay. Okay.
Just out of curiosity,
Yeah.
what other companies do you guys use? Because you don't use us on a regular basis.
Well, we have JDM,
JDM?
and then we have you guys, but I mean, 9 times out of 10, I'll call TAC.
No, for drains, like it's. Cause
Oh no, for drains, just you guys.
we were here twice last year.
Well, because I don't really have a lot of issues, like, I'm gonna be honest with you, this building has rarely anything. If I've got anything, then it's usually up in the boiler room, and then it's probably gonna be, oh, what are they called? MSB. Like, I've been here 3 years, and this is the first time I've ever had to have any, like, I've ever had any issues with my toilet. Tenants are pretty awesome as well.
Yeah.
Yeah, we've called you guys for our drains in the garage.
Yeah.
Yeah, and that's it. And I think also there was a pipe issue in the basement. It was backing up in the taps for, and it's one of those also like before Christmas.
Hey guys, so that lady was the superintendent of the building and the manager. She wanted me to not tell the management that it was actually wet wipes in the toilet. And this is a company that doesn't even call us on a regular basis. So yes, I will be telling the management what I found, and if she gets fired, she gets fired. It is what it is. Till next time, guys, this has been Jay, that drain guy, signing out. Taragna.